Okay guys, I'm all geared up and I'm going to show you this wheelie guard that I just put another video on about the installation and stuff. It's working pretty good. I've been practicing for about 20 minutes just now. So I got a helper to show me. What I did is I put some rags out there, if you can see them just barely. I'm just going to try to go up and down, up and down. It is abusive on the shoulders. Alright, here you go, my helper. Alrighty. And wheeled it. That was stopped it.